In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a check mark in Microsoft Word in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing a list that requires check marks for that visual punch or working on a document that requires this symbol for verification purposes, knowing how to add a check mark efficiently can come in really handy. So, let's dive right in and make your document preparation a tad bit easier. First up, you'll want to get Microsoft Word up and running on your screen. And how do we do that? By beginning with the most basic step, the start of it all. Yes, I'm talking about the Windows Start menu. Now, finding the Windows Start menu is as simple as it sounds. Look towards the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon, much like a window. That's your gateway. Click on it and you've successfully completed the first step. Now that you've got the Start menu open, right at your fingertips is the power to search for just about anything on your PC. But we're on a mission, so let's stay on track. Look for the search bar, it's right there, waiting for your input. Without skipping a beat, type in Word. As you do, you'll notice how the search results begin to narrow down until Microsoft Word appears as if it's been waiting just for you. Nifty, isn't it? Clicking on Microsoft Word brings us to the meat of the matter. The application springs to life and is now at your disposal. But before you can add in that check mark, you need a canvas. So either click on New Document to start fresh, or open an existing document where your checkmark will find its new home. Remember, every great masterpiece starts with a single click. Up next, navigate your way to the Insert tab. Just look towards the top of your Word window and you'll find it nestled among options like Home, Design, Layout and more. But Insert is where today's magic happens. A click here unveils a world of things you can add to your document, from pictures to links to you guessed it, symbols. From the Insert drop-down menu, your path now leads to the symbols. But there's a twist. Instead of settling for the basic symbols that meet the eye, you're going to dive deeper by selecting More Symbols. It's a simple click, but one that opens a Pandora's box of every imaginable symbol, making the standard symbols look like just the tip of the iceberg. Now, amidst a sea of symbols, your treasure, the check mark, awaits. This part might require a bit of scrolling through, but think of it as searching for hidden treasure. Once you've laid your eyes on that coveted checkmark icon, it's showtime. Click on Insert, and just like that, the checkmark sails from the Symbols menu right into your document. It's almost like magic, but better because you did it with a few clicks, and there you have it. Your document now proudly houses a checkmark, a symbol of task done, items ticked off, or just a stylistic flourish, depending on what you're going for. With this newfound knowledge, the power to enhance your documents with check marks is quite literally at your fingertips. Remember, these steps are your pathway to not just inserting check marks, but exploring what other symbols might enhance the way you communicate through your documents. Whether you're crafting a list, marking milestones, or simply adding a touch of visual appeal to your work, knowing how to navigate through Microsoft Word's features can significantly amplify your document crafting skills. Before I bid you farewell, here's a little tip. Practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with Microsoft Word's interface and the myriad options it offers, the more efficiently you'll be able to bring your creative or professional visions to life on the virtual page. Thanks for joining me today for this quick yet informative tutorial. Go ahead, give it a try, and see how something as simple as inserting a check mark can add that much more clarity, professionalism, or flair to your documents. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep checking those boxes, both literally and metaphorically.